Namaste. Welcome to Hema Foundation. Matter is made up of two or more components known as substances. A substance is a sort of matter that cannot be divided into any other type of matter by physical means, according to science. The term pure substances refers to a substance that has only one component and nothing else. We do know that matter is made up of particles which are arranged in a certain way. Gas particles are well separated and can freely move about. Solids, on the other hand, have particles that are tightly packed, usually with no scope to move around. Compounds are substances consisting of two or more different types of elements in a fixed ratio of its atoms. Matter can be pure or impure. Impure substances can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. While learning the different states of matter, you can get the values like integrity, flexibility, and selflessness, and the oneness among all forms. How does this connect for the value optimism? It can be highlighted that different states of matter are like different phases in our life. We may have to go through different stages in life and may play different roles in each stage. But ultimately, one has to preserve one's own integrity and uniqueness and should be able to go back to the roots at any point in time. Another aspect that can be discussed is the inherent flexibility shown by the fluids like water. Water is flexible to any change in its form and enters into a different state when conditions so demand. In liquid and gaseous states, it is even ready to take the shape of the container in which it is kept. Likewise, one should be flexible and adaptable to situations. The core value focused is the hope or optimism, each state of matter when it takes different shapes. There is always something different when one form changes shape. Appreciate the fact that optimism, flexibility, and adaptability are very important values in life. We should be like water, which is ready to take the shape of the container and look optimistic. The next moment, if you change the container, the water takes that shape. This is showing that water adapts the changes to a new state when conditions demand. Realize that just like the phenomena of diffusion in liquids and gases, if you fill your mind with virtues like love, happiness, and positivity, it will eventually spread to others around you. Now you will answer the following questions. I'll be back.